matrimonial bed has been stained. Who was that lady? Sister?
She's innocent.
She is not.
She is.
After all I told her. After all I told her.
My greatest fear is my husband and other women.
Handsome men in this unrepentant society, full of Jezebels, ready to snatch people's husbands away from their wives. That is why me, I love ugly men. I can't deal with these handsome dudes. I can't.
A man of integrity is a man of integrity.
And your husband?
That's my greatest fear. I don't know how long my husband... Never mind.
Never mind what? Say it. Say it, Sonia.
Jesse, men could be weak at times, but they forget their boundaries. Please, don't give my husband a chance.
What? Eh? Sonia? Where is that coming from? I am your twin sister, for God's sake. I can't even afford to see your tears. Talk more of being so wicked to have anything to do with your husband. What are you saying? It can never be me. God forbid. What is this? God forbid. It can never be me. I can't.
Your sister is innocent.
Explain that to me.
Remember, we have been having issues when it comes to lovemaking.
Don't go there.
But that is the genesis of the problem.
Genesis?
Yes. For the past months, you have been denying me your body. But you don't know that I've been taking it my own way.
What do you mean? You've been taking it your own way?
As a medical doctor,
I'm supposed to just rest and get better by tomorrow morning. Why are you giving me this?
With this, your recovery will be very fast.
Are you sure?
Your husband is a medical doctor. And I know the best for you. So relax. That was a stupid thing I've been doing to you each time you deny me your body.
You've been injecting those things into my body to make me fall asleep while you have your way.
I am not proud of what I've done. If it will cost me to lose my license as a medical doctor, I will gladly give it up. All I ask is mercy. Your mercy.
Maurice, because your wife asked you to give her some time, because she was weak, in order to be strong before lovemaking, you went ahead to do this evil to me. To me, Maurice. Is that what you did to my sister?
Honey, open the door, I'm home. Honey.
My wife.
Please open the door, I'm home.
My wife's sister.
Honey.
Jessie. This is Jessie, not my wife. What have I done? What have I done? When did she visit? looking exactly like my wife, wearing my wife's clothes. What have I done? Why should twins look identical? What am I going to do right now? Get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up. What have I done? What am I going to do right now? She's still under the influence of... She can't wake up now. What have I done? The same face, the same leg. I thought she was my wife. What have I gotten myself into?
Maurice Ikemefuna, what did I ever do to you? What did my sister do to you? What have we ever done to deserve this from you, Maurice? Okay, fine. Fine. What did you call this? Couples fellowship.
Yes. Derived from the book of James chapter 5 verse 16, which says, confess your fault one to another and pray one for another, that you might be healed. Then
The effectual, fervent prayer of a righteous man, Maurice. Have I learnt much? I've heard it countless times. I've heard this countless times from you, Maurice. Did I push him too hard? Did I cause him to do this? Could I have allowed him touch me gently than rejecting him completely? No! No.
It's been 6 months. You've not allowed me to touch you. Remember, I am a man with flesh.
I have told you. Allow the spirit to rule your flesh, and not your flesh ruling your spirit. I am weak. Allow me to be strong. When I get better, anything you want, we do. Please.
I don't know how long I can take it, but I pray so.
You can, if you allow your spirit to rule your flesh.
Sonia, do not leave your husband. Sonia, do not leave your husband.
Sonia, do not leave your husband.
With the arm of flesh, no man can endure the pain of couples fellowship.
Inasmuch as fellowshipping with one another is the will of God, it takes one who has let God constrain his or her strength to be in couples fellowship,
Or else.
Thank you for watching that video, and I want to connect with you one-on-one with my number on the screen. And this is why I want to connect with you. You know, some of you have hidden some secrets from your husband and your wives, your spouse. You've hidden some secrets before you get into marriage. And along the line of the marriage, the secret open itself. It's just like a pregnant woman who has been covering it. When the time comes, the pregnancy will show. Some of you are in marriage and there is this secret you know which you are afraid of telling your partner, and you are afraid of what is going to result to tomorrow. And some of you are in relationship and you have this secret. You don't know whether to tell your partner or not to tell him. I want to tell you right now that not all secrets should be told. Some are better left untold. But how are you going to know the one to tell and the one not to tell? That is why I want to connect with you. Use my number on the screen and contact me on WhatsApp, and I will grant you audience. Thank you so much for watching. Couples Fellowship. And don't forget, this is House of the Sons Global. Bye for now.